Hello, my name is Talika, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files, folders into your Google Drive. So let's start. Yes. So all you need to do is to log into your Google account. I just call it Gmail. Yes, and you hover to the dot here. So you click on the apps and Google Drive, right? And you click on new. So new folder, file upload, folder upload. What this means is that when you click on it, you'll be able to create a new folder that you can add a lot of things into it, right? Okay. And then the second one too is file. When you click here, you'll be able to upload a file, right? So let's try uploading a file. Okay, so we've uploaded a file. Let's refresh and see. Yeah, so this is what we uploaded. Okay. And then folder. When you click on folder upload, you'll be able to upload an entire folder sitting on your desktop. So let's try uploading one. Yes, so you will see here, you see the mark here, meaning it has been uploaded. So let's refresh our drive, my drive. So you see it here. So when we click open, this is what we have in the folder, right? So let's come back to new folder and give it a name, Talka. Yes, so we have our new folder here. So this is where we created our new folder. You can also upload files into your new folder. All you need to do is to just right click, and then you have all the options to do. You can add a document, you can add your Excel sheet or your Google sheet, you can add your slide, your forms, and so on, right? You can also create a folder inside the folder as well. So if you are working on a lot of documents that you are putting them in folders, folder one, folder two, all you need is to create a folder, or maybe you can call it a master folder, the folder for 2024, and then you have um January, February, March, and so on, right? Let's try doing something. Let's say 2024, right? Okay, so we have our 2024 folder here, and then we want to create folder for each month. So all we need to do is to say January, right click, February, March, and so on. So we can have it like that. We can have it like that. So we can have all the 12 months here. And we can also create daily if it's week one, week two. And when you come to week one, you want to have Monday to Friday, you can also create folders like that in that order. Yes. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's keep in touch.